What do you say? What do you know? It's your buddy Hobo. We're going to be doing an unboxing today on a Bykski water block for an RTX 3080 gigabyte OC 3-fan edition. I ordered this on Amazon. Yenwin is the shipper. They shipped it March 1st. It received today, March 25th. The updating on the package was horrible, but it did come well packaged. It's taped up. Been waiting a month for this. The back plate came just like this, outside the box. No big deal. Got a lot of stuff in there. Got one across the top. Dear customer, according to policies for the carrier, the batteries and paste cannot be shipped by freight. Therefore, batteries for the remote and thermal compound will need to be purchased separately. Comes with some G and a quarter fittings. Looks like 2. Comes with an RGB fan controller. A remote. I believe it's 10. Very nice. Came as a package deal. Power supply for it. LED extender. Thermal pads, hardware. LED strip plug-in, 2 plugs. Back plates for the GPU. Directions. Didn't need these. My first time doing it. And there she is. Comes with 2 extenders. You'll need these for sure. You're going to be taking off all the power from the gigabyte aftermarket card. Now that is beautiful. So that's it, folks. Arrived early, 25 days from the date ordered. Said it was going to be delivered March 29th through April 29th. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.